Hey everyone, you're watching News Insights.
The pharma drugs are handed over to the patient and they are kept at the happy at the end. The whole thing is getting unified. I am really much more excited than David. I hope that he will become very successful at this. Thank you very much.
So for last 3.5 years, Dr. David was with us, after us, with all the founders, to launch this product or this company. So this company is not a business venture, it is more towards society. So we have got many things from the society. So someday or other day we have to give back to the society. So that's how this company is formed. So this company was established on 27 November 2023. So our vision is to Dr. has brought the expertise to some of the most prominent hospitals across Kerala, Karnataka, and his dedication to service also looking beyond India. He has practiced internationally in Nigeria, expanding his reach and bringing hope to many.
Our other colleagues, Dr. Nagar Desai and others, and a host of invitees there. So it is a great initiative because India is on the forefront of digitalization, as well as your artificial intelligence and machine learning are a part of today's various activities. So healthcare solutions today is no exception. So because in India, as you know today, 40% of world's digital export comes from India, and more than that, Bangalore is contributing nearly 35 to 40% of India's digital export. So in the city of digital excellence, so I'm very happy, we are very happy to launch today the Cardiodigi healthcare solutions for the benefit of lakhs and lakhs of patients who require treatment. And we all know that we need to deliver appropriate treatment within the golden hours. Today, heart attack and brain stroke put together contributes to nearly 30% of mortality and morbidity in India. Unquestionably, today heart attack and brain stroke are number one killer. And most important is this app, I was told, is being developed on the lines of Amazon, Swiggy, and Ola. So it will have a pan-India presence, and it has covered all 800 districts across the country. They have list of all private, both private as well as government healthcare providers. So it will be a ready list for the people and also for other stakeholders to look into this. Otherwise, because we need to reach, because we know that whether it is heart attack or brain stroke or any other medical illnesses where it requires treatment within the golden hour, we need to really know through this geolocation, it will be of a great help to know which is the right hospital for a right problem. So we need to reach a right hospital in the right time which will have a lot of favorable impact on mortality and as well as morbidity. For example, you take our own heart attack. For every 30 minutes of delay in initiating treatment, the risk of death increases by 7%. So and even for that matter today, the same guideline and same protocol has been extended for treating non-hemorrhagic brain stroke. So today we have a STEMI program for heart attack, and we have a similar program for brain stroke. Even road traffic accidents. Today, the road traffic accidents has become the fifth largest killer, and the road traffic accidents contributes to the fifth important cause for mortality and morbidity. So all these things, all emergencies need to be addressed in the right time. So this app will be of a great help, and at the same, because for example, heart attack I was talking about, for 30 minutes of delay, risk of death increases 7%. And today brain stroke also, non-hemorrhagic stroke today, we have to thrombolize them in areas where there is no access to interventions, then they can be shifted. So hub and spoke model is the real need of the hour for many of these emergencies in semi-urban and rural India. And for example, I will just tell you the mortality, because in Paid, one city, mortality from acute hemorrhagic brain stroke is in single digit, maybe 7% or maybe 6 to 7%, while in Tier 2 cities it is about 14 to 15%. In Tier 3 cities it is more than 20%. So we need to bridge this gap actually. So between these Tier 3 cities versus Tier 1 cities, in between we have Tier 2 cities. So we need to reduce the mortality in all these problems, whether it is cardiac, whether it is neuro, or whether it is road traffic accidents. So we need to reduce mortality to a single digit. So I really congratulate the CEO, Dr. David, for bringing out this app. I wish this program a great success, and certainly we need to digitalize the whole healthcare facilities. And on a similar line, of course, even the healthcare facilities today, in areas where there is shortage of specialists, there are other apps available. Some sort of a tele consultations or tele ICU management can also be incorporated later into that. So definitely we can reach a lot of inaccessible areas. There are many hospitals in semi-urban and rural. They don't have specialists, they don't have specialized care. So all in all, we need to incorporate, and we see how best we can be a value addition as far as treatment is concerned, and we can certainly save a lot of lives. Ultimately, the bottom line is we need to save as many lives as possible, and among the survivors, they should survive with very good quality, so that they can lead a better quality of life. So again, I wish this launch a great success. Certainly, I will try to meet all of you physically sometimes. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Manjunath sir. His presence for a few moments have definitely encouraged us.
Friends, please note that the app Hrudal is ready for use. This app is almost like what you use in your daily life, like use for transportation, use for ordering food, use for ordering food, and also ordering shopping, anything that you want. Here in this Hrudal app, the directors and the innovators have created a platform for you to reach the hospital, to reach the doctor, to reach the pharmacy, to reach the ambulance services, and to kind of make sure that you are delivered with the medications that you would like to have, suggesting that this is a very patient friendly and a very utilitarian based app that I'm sure you'll enjoy using it. I'm sure there'll be an option of giving you feedback about the services you receive, and that will be a great occasion to review for us. And I'm very happy to kind of be part of this program because this is what services. So that is very great indeed. I congratulate the investors, congratulate the creators of this app for having done an excellent job. Thank you once again. Thanks for this opportunity.
ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್, ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಯಾವ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಂಥದ್ದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಸೇರಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಸೇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಆ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದನೇ ನಾನು ಇದು ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನು ಅದರಂಗೆ ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಗೂ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಗೂ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಗೂ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಕೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈಗೇನು 8 ತಾಸು 21 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಘಟನೆ ನಡೆದಾಗಿಂದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗೋದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಯಾರು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಡೇವಿಡ್ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. We've been progressing so much in our healthcare delivery system that we have overcome all the communicable diseases. Now you don't get to hear death due to tuberculosis. You don't get to hear too many deaths because of malaria. You don't get to hear too many deaths due to cholera. But now more and more people, and younger people, are dying due to heart attacks, or maybe accidents, or maybe cancer. But is it that we are not capable to do all these things? No. We can treat all such patients also. But there is a small gap between the patient and the treatment center. Now in Hrudal app, we'd like to address that particular issue and see how best the patient benefits out of it. And we would like, our goal is to reduce the gap between the symptoms and getting the right treatment in the right hospital. Hope this app will go in a long way in enabling India into a more healthier society. Now I'd like to say one important thing about it is the only app which has all 15 entities of healthcare services under single platform. What are the 15 healthcare entities? Doctors, clinics, hospitals, medical stores, diagnostic center, medical insurances, rehab programs, pharmacy. We have medical equipments. We have physiotherapy, home health care. We have nursing, paramedic, colleges, lifestyle modifiers, and blood banks. And all these services will be under one single roof. And whatever apps we have right now is only confined to Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities. Our app will be covering the whole of India, all the 800 districts, comprehensively to reach every nook and corner and most rural places in India.
Thank you, sir.